students, I hope your preparation is going good. If not, don't worry. Sri Gurukula is here to help you. And I am Anmol Yadav. I will be your physics and mathematics mentor. I am an NEET graduate. So bring out your books. Let's make your preparation stress-free. So our next question is sine of tan inverse x when mod of x is less than 1 is equals to. Our options are root of 1 minus x square divided by x, x divided by root of 1 minus x square, 1 divided by 1 plus x square, or x divided by root of 1 plus x square. So we are supposed to find sine of tan inverse x. Okay, so let theta be is equals to tan inverse of x. So now what we are supposed to find? We are supposed to find sine theta, correct? Because tan inverse x is equals to theta. So we are supposed to find sine theta now. If theta is equals to tan inverse of x, means tan theta is equals to x, correct? If tan theta is equals to x, let's make a triangle. This trigonometric ratios are defined on a right angle triangle, right? So tan theta is opposite divided by adjacent. So this x we can write it as x divided by 1, correct? And if this angle is theta, then opposite will be x and adjacent will be 1, correct? And hypotenuse will become root of x square plus 1 or root of 1 plus x square, correct? Now we are supposed to find sine theta in this triangle. That will be our answer. So sine theta we know. Sine theta is opposite divided by hypotenuse. So opposite to theta is x and hypotenuse is root of 1 plus x square. So it is root of 1 plus x square. So this is our final answer for sine theta. Which option is correct? Option D is x divided by root of 1 plus x square. So our correct option will be option D. I will be back soon. Till then, keep practicing. This is Anmol Yadav from Sri Gurukula signing off.